How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is I'm back, guys. Before we get this video going and I explain what was going on, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Will never cost you a thing, guys. I don't ask for sponsors, don't look for sponsors. I don't need anybody's support to grow or anything. There's not really nothing to grow here. I'm just a fat man from Arkansas, redneck, just likes to build models and not much of a community around here. So you are my community. YouTube is the best modeling community around by far. And with that being said, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right. Now let's get this video going. This video is going to be mail call, stash ad thank yous. And all right, I've been gone for a while now, guys. Y'all noticed that, and my father passed away, and yeah, I really wasn't expecting that, and yeah, it just threw me through a loop, guys. I've funeral planning, taking care of everything, paying for stuff, just stuff I really didn't look forward to doing, didn't really need to do, but it had to happen. I love my dad. He got the full military burial. He got the salute, the flag. They contacted me from Fort Sill. He will be getting his presidential award, or seal, or whatever it's called. You guys in the military know what that is. He was the man. He was a good man. He fought in Vietnam, retired out of the Army National Guard. He did his trip in back during Desert Storm in Saudi. Yeah, he was a good man. He was a good man. Yeah, I love him to death, but I'll miss him. We'll all, it's life. We're all gonna die. We are all gonna die, guys. Something to think about. Jesus loves you too, guys. Think about that. But okay, with that being said, I want to thank everybody that called, text, emailed, reached out to me in some way. There's too many of y'all to mention, so I can't, and because I'm not good with with remembering everything. I'd had to write a list down as long as my arm. But guys, thank you. Love you guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I hated being gone for so long. Now, I have commented here and there on some videos, but I haven't really been commenting a lot, and I dang sure ain't been making no videos. Yeah, with all that, like I said, being said, I've been gone a while. But I have been doing a little bit of work in here, off and on when I've had time. I've been off work for a while. Yeah, just a lot of things going on for, and, but yeah. So, with that being said, since then, I've gotten, shop card. I've gotten a shop card from Mark at the Mediocre Modeler, guys. And Mark, you are one heck of a model builder. I love you, brother. When I get up north, I will try to get a hold of you. And guys, if you're not subscribed to him, you get over there and subscribe to him and check out that shop card. That is just one awesome shop card and one killer T-bird. And if you want to know what the meaning of that is right there, he explains why he chose that. So you'll have to go to his channel and find out why. And if you want a shop card of his, go to his channel, like, share, subscribe, hit him up. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate you, brother. And I appreciate the kind words. And another thing, Douglas Model Car Garage, or Douglas's Model Garage videos right here. Man, this guy right here, guys, I love this guy to death. I try to watch every video that he ever does. I try anytime he puts something up. And he's one of the, he's been around the community for a long time now, and man, he deserves to get up over 1,000 guys. Y'all get over there, subscribe to him. This guy is always, not just me, but I see it, he sends stuff out to other members of the community, just out of the kindness of his heart. You know, he remembered my birthday. I mean, I don't even remember my birthday half the time, and he sent me a couple models. He knows I love my small scale. Look at there. It's the 49 Ford 2-door coupe by Lindbergh. Cool little kit. He also sent me the little 132 scale little figure that goes in the Airfix Jaguar. Oh, that's awesome. Because I love my 132 scale stuff. And he also sent me this. This is not 132. This is like 148 scale, like HO scale or something. But man, this thing is awesome. And I've seen this built up by a lot of people in the community. And they can really make it look good. Yes, for as old as this tooling is, of course that's old tooling too. You can really make them look good. Just because they're small, hey, it ain't the size that matters, guys. That's what she said. All right. Thank you, Doug, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the birthday wishes and everything else. Man, I appreciate you. Guys, his link will be in the description below. Get over there and please subscribe to him. The dude, he hosts the air-cooled group build going on right now. I mean, he's a good guy in this community. Get over there and check him out. Let me put this stuff away here. Okay. And before my dad had passed away, well, no, he had passed away. That's right. Before my dad had passed away, I met this couple up in Northwest Arkansas, Jesse and Mary Bowles, and I'll tag them in this video. But then the day I was supposed to meet them to go get these models, my dad had passed away that day before, but I just kept my promise to go up there and get these models and everything. And so I went up there to get them, and he's an older gentleman. He's retired, and he used to work for Howard Hughes Industries, I guess out in California or wherever, you know, they built the Spruce Goose and all that stuff. And he asked me, he said, would you care to build me an airplane? What would you charge me? I said, well, I really don't do airplanes. You know, you can see it's pretty much all cars. But I was like, man, I'll build it for you for free. I mean, you're giving me such a good deal on these kits, which I'll show you here in a few minutes. I'm like, I'll build it for you for free. Well, in between all this stuff going on, I've worked on it here and there and stuff, and I got it done. I'll show that to you guys, even though I'm not much of an airplane builder. But let me get this down here. Alright, this is the kit I built for them, and I will be taking it to them here in about a week or so. It's the Spruce Goose, and it's an old Intex model. It's an old kit. This kit had its many issues, let me tell you, but I fought through it, and here she is, guys. There she is. Like I said, not much of an airplane builder, but I got her done. She's warped. All the little propellers had broke off, you know, within the sprue. They were already broke. It was a pain getting them things put back on there, and some of them ain't quite straight, but hey, you know, it's not going to a model show, so, but it's good enough for a vintage kit, probably 40-something years old. You can see right there, this kit is so old, it's warped. It was warped, but I built it for him anyway because he really wanted this to be built. You know, but I got her done, and I mean, she didn't turn out too bad. It'll display good on a shelf. I wish, you know, it wasn't warped, but you know, that's what you get into with vintage kits, guys. Sometimes you just don't know. And he's probably had that thing for many years, sitting around the garage or anywhere, you know, and you know, of course, you know, they're susceptible to heat and everything like that. So I mean, but for what it is, it turned out all right, especially for as old as that kit is. And it was my pleasure to build that for you guys. I appreciate y'all. butt. So, like I was saying, I went up there, you know, you're going to say, shut up, what you get? Okay, well, what I got. And they're doozies, too. Y'all be saying, man, that's awesome. Alright. I got the big 112 scale Revell Mustang GT Fastback, and y'all know this is an old Renwall kit, reissue from the 70s. The kit's only been issued 4 times. This is the second issue. The first issue was the Renwall kit, which was Renwall, not Revell, Renwall. And it was green on the box art. This was the 70s, once Renwall folded, whatever, and Revell took over, or bought the molds, whatever they do. And this is the second issue kit. These ain't never been built. And then I got the third issue right here. Check this out, guys. Yeah, I know this is a holy grail kit for a lot of people. And it's one of mine too, look at that. It's the Shelby GT350 112 scale rolling track. Look at that right there. This thing is awesome. And they went in and corrected underneath the hood to where that kit there didn't have the little, I can't remember that brace in there, and it didn't have the side inner fender wells, and they fixed that for this kit. They're separate, which I need to resin cast them, that way I can build that correct. But and this is the third issue, and in the fourth issue it was red on the box, Revell kit, but it was a picture of like the yellow one but red, not with these wheels. It wasn't the Shelby or whatever. So there's only been 4 issues of this kit, these kits right here, Renwall and these 2 kits. But yes, thank you Jesse and Mary, I appreciate you. Look at that. And this one here is from 1985. That yellow one there, let me get it back up here. 1978, guys. So 1960 whatever from the Renwall, 78, 85, and 90 something for the other one. And so now I just need to get the Renwall and the other 90s issue, and I'll have them all. But still got the Terry Thacker memorial build right here, and I got my STS decals for that. I'll be getting on that. Sitting on the bench, I have the Porsche group build sitting on the bench, and then I also have, which will probably be my next video sometime during the week, will be the 60, 61, 60 SMP, AMT vintage Chevy pickup that Adam from Sodak Model Cars had painted for us for our buddy builds, the bodies. Sent it back, and then I finished it up. So his buddy build's done. He's done his. He's waiting on me. And with all this going on, I finally was able to squeeze it done. I squeezed it out. I got it done. So I can't tell you what time next week, whenever I squeeze in time to make another video, that will be coming up next. And then probably the Porsche group build update will be after that. And I'll probably be close to actually finishing that up for too long, and then I'll get back on Terry's build. But alright guys, I was just checking back in. Love you guys. I appreciate everybody that's reached out to me. I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, guys. And yeah, I don't know what else to tell you, but love you, appreciate you. Check out Mark, check out Doug. Bye. Jesus loves you.